If you're in your 20s, there's a high chance you're making a mistake right now. A mistake that could cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars. Not in the future, but starting today. And the scary part is, most people don't even realize they're doing it. They think they're doing everything right. Working hard, earning money, enjoying life. But behind the scenes, their financial future is slowly collapsing. Because your 20s are not just another decade. They are the foundation of your entire financial life. And one wrong move here can keep you broke for years. In this video, I'll break down the 5 biggest money mistakes Americans make in their 20s and how you can avoid them before it's too late. Your 20s are powerful, not because of how much money you make, but because of time. Time is your biggest financial advantage, and most people waste it. They delay saving, they ignore investing, and they think, "I'll figure it out later." But later becomes expensive. Mistake number 1, not investing early. The biggest mistake? Not investing, or waiting too long to start. Most people think investing is risky, but what's actually risky is doing nothing. Because of compound growth, even small amounts can turn into massive wealth. Start with $200 a month in your 20s, and it can grow into hundreds of thousands. Wait until your 30s, and you'll have to invest double just to catch up. Time is not just money. Time is everything. Mistake number 2, lifestyle inflation. You get your first job. You start earning more, and suddenly your lifestyle upgrades. Better phone, better clothes, more eating out, more spending. And without realizing it, you're back to zero. Lifestyle inflation is silent but dangerous because it grows with your income and kills your savings. Mistake number 3, living without a plan. Most people don't have a financial plan. They just exist. Spend money randomly, save when they can, hope things work out. But hope is not a strategy. If you don't control your money will control you. A simple plan changes everything. Budget, save, invest, repeat. Mistake number 4, ignoring debt. Debt in your 20s feels normal. Credit cards, student loans, buy now, pay later. It feels manageable until it's not. Interest quietly builds in the background, turning small debt into a financial trap. If you don't control debt early, it will control your future. Mistake number 5, not building an emergency fund. Most people don't have savings, not real savings, no emergency fund, no safety net. So when life hits, they panic, they borrow, they fall deeper into debt. An emergency fund is not optional, it's essential. It protects you from financial disasters. Here's the truth. None of these mistakes feel dangerous in the moment. They feel normal. That's why they're so powerful, because they don't destroy your finances overnight. They slowly drain your future without you noticing. Your 20s can make you rich or keep you broke. The difference is not luck, it's awareness. Now you know the mistakes. Now you see the pattern. The question is, will you ignore it like most people or fix it starting today? Because the earlier you fix these mistakes, the easier your life becomes. And the longer you wait, the more expensive it gets.